directly into the airport.
I'm still waiting.
Greeting our flight today will be uniformed customer service agents. They'll be happy to answer any questions that you may have about connecting gate information. There's also video monitors posted throughout the terminal with up-to-date departure times and also correct gate information. And this is the termination of our flight. If you have checked luggage and Anchorage is your final destination today, shortly in the lower level of the terminal at carousel 2 or 3, you can find your personal belongings there. This is flight number 182. If you're a smoker, we just ask that you refrain from smoking until you're well within a designated smoking area. Here in Anchorage, that's at curbside, right outside of baggage claim. On behalf of the two fine pilots who brought you here safely in your Anchorage and Seattle-based flights, and it's certainly been our pleasure serving you today. We do look forward to seeing you in the future the next time your plans call for air travel. Please look us up at alaskaair.com. Enjoy your stay here in Anchorage or wherever your final destination may take you.